Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you extremely delicious Korean spicy cucumber side dish recipe. You are gonna be crazy about this recipe because it is a perfect appetizer before you start your main meal. So, if you like our videos guys, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this delicious recipe, we are gonna need, first of all, the best thing in this world probably, soya sauce. We are gonna use 2 tablespoons, guys. Then we are gonna need olive oil. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. Then we are gonna need honey. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon, guys. Then we are gonna need 3 pieces of green onion, half of 1 onion, 2 pieces of cucumber, and 2 pieces of garlic. That's it, guys. As for spices, guys, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, sesame seeds, and red hot chili pepper. If you want it to be very spicy, you can use more. I'm just using for us. tamam. Şimdi, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take our half round cucumber that I've cut in medium size. I'm gonna pour it into our bowl first of all. Then I'm gonna pour here our thinly chopped green onion. I used here 3 pieces of green onion, guys. Then guys, I'm gonna take our thinly chopped onion, half onion, and 2 pieces of minced garlic. I'm gonna add it here. At this stage, guys, I'm gonna start adding. Here I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of honey. Guys, if you don't have honey, you can replace easily with sugar or sweetener. I prefer to use honey. Start adding soya sauce. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons, guys. 1, 2. Then guys, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any kind of oil that you like. Guys, I prefer to use olive oil because it tastes better than other oils and it is much more healthier. So now coming back to our spices, I'm gonna mix up our spices. Here I've got salt, black pepper, sesame seeds, and red hot chili pepper, guys. Again, if you want to replace the spices with anything that you enjoy eating, you are welcome. You can easily do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread it out all over our side dish. You can actually call it amazing salad also. Then we mix it up. Guys, make sure that the soya sauce and olive oil reaches all parts of our side dish. This is the best cucumber recipe you ever known, guys. You're gonna fall in love because I love it so much. Take from the bottom so all the juice will come out here. Guys, bon appetit. Enjoy your side dish, or you can use it as a salad too. It perfectly goes with anything. Yeah. You can even eat it with your dinner or with anything that you cooked for the day. Thank you for watching us, guys. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a great, nice evening. Goodbye, guys.